Hello and welcome to our second video of CRAB.python. Today, we are going to be talking about input statements and if-else statements. So please stay tuned and keep watching. Let's talk about input statements first. Input statements take a person's input into the program and saves it as a variable. For example, it can be this statement below. What cheese do you want? Cheddar. The yellow text is what the computer asks. It asks, what cheese do you want? And then the blue text is the person's input. For example, this person put in cheddar.
So let's look at what the input statement does. So let's break it down in a few parts. Let's first assign the input statement a variable. Let's call this one x. Then we just put an equal sign saying assigning the input statement to the variable, aka x. Then we would write input just like the print statement, but this one's input. Then parentheses and this.
We put quotation marks.
You have to put quotation marks. That's for a string. So in the string, you can type whatever goes in front of your input statement. So you could write,
like, what is your favorite cheese?
Yeah. What is your favorite type of cheese? And then you could put.
And then in the line below it, you can put a print statement saying to print x.
And then we can print under here your favorite cheese is, and then we can put plus x period. So let's see what that does. So I'll just do C. So what it'll do is, what is your favorite type of cheese? So let's say mine is mozzarella. I might have spelled it wrong. Doesn't matter. So let's just say my favorite type of cheese is mozzarella. Then at the end, it says my favorite type of cheese is mozzarella. So it takes the person's input, and then it assigns it to that the person's input to that variable. So it's pretty useful.
Next, let's talk about if-else statements. What do these do? An if-else statement says that if something is true or false, then the program will do a certain task. Otherwise, it will do a different task.
So now let's see this if-else statement in action. So like we have here, we have the input statement. X equals input, what is your favorite type of cheese? So now we can put if x double equal, that shows that equal to, if x double equal to, let's say if it equals to
Mozzarella.
Then we put a colon, and if
that colon is very important. Make sure it's there. Do not forget it.
Yeah, if you're in something like VS Code, it'll automatically tab for you. If it doesn't, make sure to tab it.
Yes, that indentation is very important.
And then print. And then let's just say, so if your favorite cheese is mozzarella, say mozzarella is a cheese. And let's just say okay. And then we can also put else say that, okay?
And then in between the if and else statement, we can also put an elif statement.
which is basically else if. So let's do it. So elif x equals to Gouda.
Goat cheese. Or Gouda.
Yeah,
Gouda.
you can also you can put as many elif things as you want. So you can
In
have,
fact, you could put one for every type of cheese there is.
yeah.
But that's another story.
Yeah. So let's say just for fun, let's do another elif. And yeah. So
Let's run it.
let's run it. So now it'll ask, what's your favorite type of cheese?
Let's go with goat cheese.
Yeah.
Even though goat cheese is disgusting.
Yeah.
I dislike it. No.
Bleh. Let's run this program again. Let's type mozzarella. Mozzarella is nice cheese. I prefer Gouda though. What if we do Gouda? It says nice, my favorite cheese. What if we do anything else? The else means anything else besides those options. So I can just slam my hand on this keyboard, type whatever I want. It's just gonna say okay. That's like its last resort. So that's about all there is for if and else statements.
Thank you for watching this wonderful Python video, and please stay tuned for more videos like this.
Bye.
See you later.